So I got this thing for sale. It's a Frigidaire electric cooler. Also comes with a car charger. I don't know if you hear that. It works. Dual ports. One's for the car, one's for the outlet. They are two different inputs on the cooler. You got a switch. I say off and cold if it focuses. Yeah. Whoa. Inside. This is a carrying case, or carrying, you know. It's made of leather, it seems. And inside. That is actually surprisingly really cool. I'm impressed. It's you'll see the little Coke refrigerators and all that stuff. I've had it kept like this because you don't want to block the vent in the bottom, because if you do, you'll set your house on fire. Yeah, it's got a nice little retro look to it. But yeah, $30. Buy it.